Welcome to this lesson. Today, we will learn about the word activist. This is an important word that you will hear often. Let's begin. First, let's learn how to say this word correctly. The word is activist. Listen carefully, activist. It sounds like activist. Try saying it with me, activist. Great job. So, what does the word activist mean? An activist is a person who works to make change. They want to improve things in the world. They take action to help others. What kind of change do activists want? Activists want to help people who need support. They want to protect nature and the environment. They fight for rights and fairness. They also work to stop unfairness and injustice. Activists care deeply about many things. They care about the environment and keeping our planet healthy. They care about equality, which means treating everyone the same. They care about animals and protecting them. And they care about peace in the world. There are many examples of activists around the world. Some are famous, and some work quietly in their communities. All activists share one thing: they want to make the world better for everyone. Why do people become activists? People become activists because they want to help others. They want to create a better world for future generations. They see problems and want to stop them. Activists believe that change is possible. Activists use different ways to make change happen. They organize protests and marches to show their ideas. They talk to people and share information. They write letters to leaders and governments. And they use social media to spread their message. What is a protest? A protest is when people gather together to show their ideas and opinions. It is a peaceful way to tell others what you believe. Protests help bring attention to important issues. Today, many activists use social media. They share ideas online with people around the world. They connect with others who care about the same things. They organize events and spread awareness quickly through the internet. Let me tell you about a famous activist. Her name is Malala Yousafzai. She is from Pakistan. She fights for girls' education. She believes every girl should have the right to go to school and learn. Another famous activist is Greta Thunberg. She is from Sweden. She fights to protect the earth from climate change. She started when she was very young and inspired millions of people around the world. Activists help communities in many ways. They work to make laws better and fairer. They support people in need by providing help and resources. They bring attention to problems that others might not see. It is important to know that activism is peaceful. Real activism is about kindness and respect. Activists want to create positive change without hurting anyone. They use their words and actions to make a difference. Can you be an activist? Yes. Anyone can help make change. You don't need to be famous or powerful. You just need to care about something and be willing to take action. Remember, small actions matter. You can talk to friends and family about important issues. You can help clean up your area and take care of the environment. You can share ideas online and support good causes. Every small action counts. What is the difference between an activist and a bystander? An activist helps and speaks up when they see a problem. A bystander watches and stays quiet. Activists choose to take action instead of just watching. Let's learn some words you should know. A protest is when you show your opinion publicly. Rights are things you deserve as a human being. Justice means fairness for all people. Equality means everyone is equal and should be treated the same. What is justice? Justice is making sure everyone is treated fairly. It means that rules and laws apply to everyone equally. Justice is an important goal for many activists. What are rights? Rights are things everyone should have or be able to do. For example, the right to speak freely, the right to education, and the right to be safe. Activists often fight to protect these rights. Why is equality important? Equality matters because everyone deserves respect and fairness. No one should be treated badly because of who they are. Activists work hard to create a world where everyone is equal. Never forget the power of one person. One person can make a big difference in the world. History shows us that many great changes started with just one person who cared enough to act. Activists often use signs and symbols to share their message. You might see a peace sign, which represents peace and non-violence. A heart symbol shows love and care. A raised fist represents strength and unity. These symbols help people understand the message quickly. How can you start being an activist? First, learn about problems in your community or the world. Second, talk with friends and family about what you learned. Third, join community groups or organizations that work on issues you care about. These are great first steps. Activists know that working together is powerful. When people join together, they are stronger. They can achieve more and create bigger changes. Teamwork makes activism more effective and successful. Activism happens around the world. In every country, people want change and work to make it happen. The issues might be different, but the goal is the same, to make life better for everyone. Activists face challenges in their work. Sometimes people may disagree with them. Sometimes it is hard to be heard, especially when you are speaking against powerful groups. Change takes time and patience. But activists don't give up. It is important to stay safe as an activist. Always be peaceful in your actions. Know your rights so you can protect yourself. Work with others for safety and support. Being smart and careful helps you continue your work. Let's summarize what we learned today. Activists are people who want change in the world. They work peacefully to help others and solve problems. Anyone can be an activist, no matter how old you are or where you live. You just need to care and take action. Remember, you can make a difference. Your voice matters. Your actions matter. Don't wait for someone else to create change. Start today by learning, caring, and helping. The world needs people like you. Thank you for watching this lesson. I hope you learned something new about the word activist. Keep learning and helping others. Together, we can make the world a better place. See you in the next lesson.